Hello everyone. Today's number song is 5 Little Witches cooking up a spell. I've got my 5 friends to help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little witches cooking up a spell, stirring up the cauldron. Ooh, what a smell! Add some magic dust, sing a little song. La 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 la. All of a sudden, a witch was gone. Woo! Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little witches cooking up a spell, stirring up the cauldron. Ooh, what a smell! Add some magic dust, sing a little song. La 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 la. And all of a sudden, a witch was gone. Oh no! Woo! 1, 2, 3. 3 little witches cooking up a spell, stirring up the cauldron. Ooh, what a smell! Add some magic dust, sing a little song. La 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 la. All of a sudden, a witch was gone. Sorry, that's you, Donnie. Whee! 1, 2. 2 little witches cooking up a spell, stirring up a cauldron. Ooh, what a smell! Add some magic dust, sing a little song. La 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 la. All of a sudden, the witch was gone. Sorry, Teddy. Whee! Oh, there's only one left. It's Big Rabbit. 1 little witch cooking up a spell, stirring up the cauldron. Ooh, what a smell! Add some magic dust, sing a little song. La 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 la. All of a sudden, and the witch was gone.